Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are going to explore some special sequence. The first one is pretty popular. It is number pattern generated from square numbers. And so in this case here, for the square number, you would then see that, what do I mean by square number? 1, and the first term is 1. How do I generate that? I'm going to write it down below. 1 square equals to 1. 2 square equals to 2. 3 square equals to 9. 4 square equals to 16. So 5 square, yep, 25. 6 square, do you see the pattern already? Okay, so how then can I get the next two terms in words? So if I look at this n, if n is 1, I will square it. If n is 2, to get the term I square it. Meaning all I have to do, square the n. Cube numbers. Similarly to square numbers, just that the difference now is I cube them. 1 cube is 1. 1 times 1 times 1, 1. 2 cube, 2 times 2 times 2, 8. This one will be equals to this. 3 cube, 3 times 3 times 3, 27. 4 cube, 64. 5 cube, 125. And this one will be 6 cube, 216. And so, using that as the example, all I have to do, I just need to cube the n. Okay? When the n is 1, I cube them. When the n is 2, I cube to get my 8. When the n is 3, I cube, so on and so forth. Triangle numbers comes from the triangle shape. And let's see what are triangular numbers. Alright. So in this case here, all I have to do, if you realize, if n is 1, it is 1. If n is 2, what do I have? 1 plus 2 equals to 3. If n is 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. If n is 4, I stop at 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10. Okay. And therefore, you can easily guess that the next number will be 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 15. And 21. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay. So, how do I then get the next two terms? I simply add all the numbers from 1 to the designated number n. Okay. Example, if n equals to 5, then the term, fifth term, will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and I stop there. And this will be equals to 15. Last special group of number is called Fibonacci number, which comes from a very famous mathematician. Okay, and this is a very interesting pattern. Okay, we will go straight to this 0 plus 1 equal 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 2 plus 3 equal 5. Can you see the pattern now? Okay, and therefore this means that as I continue this pattern, to get term number 10, I just simply add up the previous two terms, and that will give me this number, and this will give me 34. And the last one, 2 plus 21 plus 34, 55. Okay, and so how do we then get the next two terms? We simply add the previous two terms. Okay, so meaning the nth term Tn is simply equals to the previous two terms, n minus 1 and n minus 2. Okay, with that we have come to the end of this part of the video. Let's move on to some examples.